My name is Vernon Brown. I'm a happiness coach, and my practice is named What's Your Happy. In the next few weeks, I'm going to have the pleasure of meeting you all, and I want to give you kind of a preview, a little teaser of what's to come. So over the last 5 years, I've had the pleasure of serving over 11,000 clients, which I've taken to the stage now to give more perspective, a different perspective, a better perspective that you can act on. Coming to this conversation, because this will be a conversation, it's not just going to be lecture style. I'll be asking you questions. And the questions aren't there just to answer or just to ask. They're there so you can start implementing. You will walk out of there with a plan. This is about being a better leader, a better associate, a better person altogether. It's a lot of fun, and I take all the stories that I've had the pleasure of working with these amazing clients. I take my life and I weave it together in just this great plan for you on how you can get more energy, because by definition, that's what happiness is. And you'll learn a little bit more about how I design happiness coaching. But I'm looking forward to seeing you all in the next few weeks. Take care.